Hi everybody. For this tutorial, I would like to show you how to make blocks out of your trees. In my example, I have 2 trees. You may have 3 or 4. So however many you have, you're going to make a block for each one. So this is really straightforward, very similar to making blocks in AutoCAD. And I'm going to stick to a definition I've used with AutoCAD, which is that a block is nothing more than a drawing within a drawing file. In this case, it is a model within a modeling file. So I'm going to make 2 separate tree blocks here. And I'm going to start by typing in blocks, or block rather. When I type that in, I'm asked to select objects to define the block. I'm going to start with this one here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and just window everything like this. It'll select my objects. Then it says press enter when done. So I'll go ahead and enter. And then it wants the block base point. Now, this is the first tree that I started. So that one is residing at the point of origin. So I'm just going to type in 0 and enter. And then I'm going to get this window that's going to come up, and it says block definition properties. I'm simply going to call this one tree number 1 or 01. I could give it a description here. And if needed, I could provide a hyperlink, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm not going to enter a description either. That's optional. I'll just call this tree 1 and I'll click OK. So that one is done and I'll click off of it. And now when I just click on it one time, notice how it highlights everything. And then if I come over here to my properties, it'll tell me that the type is a block instance and the name of it is tree 01. Okay, time to make the block out of the other tree. So I'll do the same thing. I'll type block, select objects to define the block. I'll window my objects here like this. And then I'll go ahead and press enter. It would like me to select a block base point. And before I do anything, I want you to see my object snaps. I have endpoint, midpoint, center, and a couple of others running. So my hope is that it finds just the center. And I'll zoom in right here, hover, and it tells me center. So I go ahead and click. And then the name of this one is going to be tree 02. And I'll click OK. And now it's still selected and it shows me the type over here is a block instance. So I currently have 2 blocks. And if you have more trees, you'll just go ahead and just call it tree 03, tree 04, just to keep them in order. And that's all you need to do. Just go back to that file and make blocks out of them as you prepare to use them in the assignment that's going to be coming up regarding the urban garden. All right, thank you.